Look at this account. They've uploaded around 100 posts and successfully gained about 411,000 followers. You can see that they've posted reels with animations, digital art reels, and they've gotten a good amount of views. Some of these reels have even reached millions of views. This channel has also gained a decent number of followers. These reels are all digital art animations. You can check them out to see how many views they've gotten. You can create similar reels and upload them to your own YouTube channel. By doing so, you can generate good income from it as well. Take a look at these videos I'm showing you. Making these kinds of videos is really easy. The best part is that to make these animations, all we need are just a few small tools. If you want, you can create animations like these, set up your own YouTube channel, and start earning extra income. If you're interested, let's see how these animations are made. Stay tuned with my channel, subscribe, like the video, and don't forget to stay connected with the video. Alright, first of all, we need a script for this, and we'll be using ChatGPT for that, which you can use for free. After signing into ChatGPT, you can paste the font I'm providing here. Then, you'll be able to see how beautifully it will be done for you. It's really that easy. Alright, now we need to generate an image. For that, we can use the website called Leonardo AI. This site gives us 180 credits to generate images each day. After signing into the website, you'll be able to see the image creation option. Click on it, and then generate the image by selecting the appropriate font or style. Once it's generated, you can download your favorite photo by clicking the download icon and saving it to your system. The second step is to animate this image, and for that, I am using a website called Runway ML. After signing in, you can access the platform and find the generative section. Click on it, and then select Generation. From there, you can drag and drop the image you generated or click to add it. After adding the image, crop it as needed. Then click on the Camera Controls option to add your desired camera angles. Afterward, select the video duration and click Generate. Within a few seconds, you will get a result like this. Finally, you can download the video to your device. Now, let's see how to remove the watermark. For this, I am using CapCut. After importing the image into CapCut, copy and paste it. Then, click on the newly added image and go to the Effects section. From there, add a blur effect. On the right side, you'll see the Masks option. Click on Masks, then select the Rectangle option. Adjust it so that it covers the watermark. After that, you will notice that the watermark is blurred. Finally, you can export the image without the watermark. Alright, now you must have understood how to create this reel. So, let's take a look at the reels we have created. What do you think about today's video? Leave your comments below. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it and stay connected with the channel. Also, make sure to subscribe. That's all for today. See you next time.